loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a Temu haul to share with you. I have quite a bit of goodies in there. I also have a Temu code for those of you who are new to Temu or just reinstated your Temu app. Go ahead and use my Temu code, and I also have some other bundles in there that you can even save some more money. So yes, let's get into my Temu haul of goodies. Okay, first thing I want to share is these beads. Actually, there are a variety of different beads and sequence mix in there. Let me go ahead and open it. And it does come in this nice little container in here. And it goes by different colors. And it does have the little snap-on to make it easier to open and make sure it's locked. And look at all that. So you do have some pearl beads. I believe these are like seed beads. Yeah, these are seed beads. Glitter. You do got some tube beads. Some sequins. Real nice. And I have bought some other ones, so I wanted the green one. And this shop does carry a variety. So I got that one. Next thing I hauled was this glitter mesh. And this one is actually smaller version than I bought before. This one is like a metallic shine to it. You can see it on there. And this makes a good sample. I like this for embellishments to add some texture, and you do get a good amount in there. And like I said, it's half a roll of what I bought before, but I wanted to try this one. This one isn't glitter, it's just metallic. It just got a little shine to it. Got that. I did get another thing of nails. I won't take this out, but it does come with the nail file, and it does have little stick-ups to put on your nails. Look at that. So I got the Halloween red and black. And I do like the nails. These nails are actually pretty good. But if you do want them to last a little longer, I do recommend adding glue to it. Okay, I ordered some miniature clay cutters, and I'll put an image on this one. But these cut little like ghosty. I think this one had ghosty, bone, and a pumpkin. You two sizes of books, a mushroom, I believe a regular pumpkin, and a what do you call that? Acorn. This one's a pumpkin ghost. I think this is a ghosty. I don't remember what that is. So what is this one? Maybe they sent me. I have to check. But I will put a picture in the video so you can see. But what these do cut are little miniatures so that you could add them into like little miniature bookshelves, which you can make earrings or even cabochons and whatnot. So I got it for that. So I got that one. Next thing I hauled were these. They make miniature flower petals. And I do like that it comes in this case. So you got your little flower, different flowers that you can make. Leaves. Different petals. So yeah, it's just a lot of different flowers and petals so that you can make to add into your little cuts. So I got that one, and actually this was a good deal for the whole kit for that, because these do run pretty expensive sometimes. Alright, I also got these. These are actually, I believe, cookie cutters, but I'm not using them for cookies. I got them because they are Halloween. But these are actually like, they are, what do you call it? Voodoo dolls. That's why I got them. So I figured I could cut it and then press this on the clay to give me my impression and then paint it. So that's that one. And then here's this one. This goes with that one. And then here you have the mummy, and you have the girl mummy with the bow. I got those. I thought these would be cool to try, see if it works with my idea. Another thing I hauled were these little skulls, and they do have a little bow. Look at them. How cute is that? So I got some of those. And then I did get some silicone molds, and this one I want to do it with the resin. And these also are like keychain molds. Look at that. You got the voodoo doll. And then this is the other voodoo doll. That, so I got those two. And these actually went on sale, so that's why I got those. And then I also got these. I thought they were pretty nice looking, which are beads. Look at that. Love the colors, different kind of like cool colors. Look at that. You got blue, aqua. You got some that are see-through, light purples. Beautiful. These actually look pretty. And these are beads. They're not for pokey tools or anything like that. They do make, they're good to make with dangles and stuff. I got those ones. So I did get some more stamps. And these are some Halloween stamps. Made a paper so you can see this one. Okay, Halloween stamps. And you got like, these are all sentiments. So you got like, hey sugar, happy Halloween, love you to the end, have a frightfully sweet Halloween. So yeah, there's just a lot of different sentiments on there. So I got that one. Okay, this is the next Halloween one that I have. And this is spider webs. And you just have a variety of different spider webs. These do not come with any coordinating die, which is okay because I'll just fuss cut it or stamp it on the actual paper. I got this one. They're starting to have some sales on their Halloween already. Okay, next stamp set that I did buy is this marshmallow one. I thought this was so adorable. But look at that. So you got your little marshmallows, and it does come with some sentiment. And the best part, this does come with some coordinating dies, so it'll make it easy to go ahead and cut it and don't have to worry about fussy cutting. So I got those ones. I found this little cute stamp, and when I read it, I had to have it. It says, creative people don't have a mess, they have ideas lying around everywhere. Love it. Love this. This is a nice stamp. So when I saw it, I went ahead and got it. Nice. Got that one. Okay, the next one I have is this Halloween. They're actually bookmarks. So you do have the books, and then it's a Halloween theme. And the best part, it comes with the actual cutting die. So you go ahead and stamp it and then cut them out. So I thought this was an awesome idea. Love it. So I got that. Okay, next thing I have here is die. And this is actually the Ripper die. I thought he was really, really cute, so I went ahead and bought him. Now, a lot of the dies that come on my feed is showing local warehouse, which I don't really like buying from local warehouse. I don't really care to. But this one actually came on one of the feeds on my screen. So I went ahead and got it since I don't have it. This one I will put a photo in the video so you can see how it looks. So I thought he was pretty cute. Okay, the last thing I bought was these little paper, and when I saw this, I was like, wow, they're pretty. So let's look at this one. I do like it comes in its own little box, but check these out. How nice are those? And they're thick like a postcard. You got that one. You have this one. Look at that. How nice are these? They're real nice. Oh, love the cat. Look at the ghosty. At the wolf. Mummy. Ghosty. Another cat. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love the girl. Oh, the haunted house. Oh, these are real nice for junk journaling. For like journal cards. That. Mummy. Another cat. Oh, the pumpkin. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna have to get me another set. But yeah, love, love, love. Well, that is my little haul I want to share with you. I'll put all the links below if it's available, so you can go ahead and snag some up for yourself. I will be posting affiliate links. There are no extra cost to you, but they do help me out with my channel, so much appreciated if you use my links. If you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you know when I do upload another video of goodies. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.